Dear students, I am Kannan, your math teacher. Now I am going to teach 10th mathematics for CBSE students. So many of the CBSE students having the problem in understanding the concept. So I want to try to explain the concept and the concept of the problem in elaborate manner. That is very much useful for your improving your understanding capability. In this video I am going to teach trigonometry application sum. Okay, now we are going to start the problem. In this trigonometry chapter I am going to take a problem. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Okay, in the first one, a TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal, So that is the first concept. So I am going to draw the diagram for this first line. So this is the one bank of the canal, it is another bank of the canal. So in between you have a canal, this is one bank, it is another bank of the canal. In this canal, a TV tower is standing on this canal, one bank of the canal. The observation person lies in the opposite side, directly opposite side in the another bank of the canal. Okay, so this is the width of the canal. So the angle of elevation of top of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Okay. From another point 20 meter away from this point. So this is the point 20 meter away from this point. This is 20 meter away from this point. Actually this is the 20 meter. 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower. This is the foot. This is the foot of the tower. The line joining point to the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. This is the top of the tower. From this point, I want to take the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. Actually, the question is find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. So this is I want to take as a h. This is the height of the tower. This is the tower. I want to find the height of this tower. That is why I am going to take as a h. And the width of the canal. This is the width of the canal. The width of the canal I want to take it as an x. This is an x. Actually, I want to give the notations, that is alphabets. So AB denote the tower, B is the foot of the tower, and then C is the first observation point, and 20 meter away from this is we can take it's a D. So BC is the width of the canal and AB is the height of the tower. And the distance between C and D is 20 meter. That is D is 20 meter away from the first point of observation. So this is a concept. The concept is explained in the diagram. So using this diagram we are going to find the two values. One is the height of the tower, another one is width of the canal. Okay, now solution. For this problem solving purpose, I want to take into two right angle triangle. First, I want to take the inside right angle triangle, this triangle. So, in simple diagram, I want to take this. So, this is actually A and this is B and this is C. This is X and this is H. And the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So, we are going to take the idea about opposite side and the adjacent side, because the 90 degree opposite side is a hypotenuse, the angle direct opposite is opposite side, and the adjacent position is adjacent side. So, we have the two important concepts in opposite and adjacent. I want to take the tan concept, and in the trigonometric, opposite and adjacent is related with the ratio is tan theta. So, first I want to explain the diagram. Let AB be the TV tower, and CB be the width of the canal, Let AB equal to H meter and CB equal to X meter. In right triangle or in right angled triangle, ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So, I want to take tan concept, tan 60 degree equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is CB. Actually, tan 60 degree value is √3, that is equal to AB is actually H meter and CB is X meter. Okay, then make the cross multiplication, √3 into X, that is equal to H. Therefore, H is equal to √3 into X. This is a one value, that is I want to take as an equation number 1. So, next I want to take the another right angle triangle, that is a whole triangle. The whole triangle is ABD. The whole triangle is like this. This is an A and this 90 degree is a B and this is D. Now, from the figure we have what is about 20 plus X. Length of BD is 20 plus X, length of AB is H. Okay. Again, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Again, in right angle triangle, ABD, angle B equal to 90 degree. Again, related with opposite and adjacent. So, we are going to take the trigonometry ratios tan theta. So, tan 30 degree equal to opposite by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BD. Actually, tan 30 degree 1 by √3, and then length of AB is a H and length of BD is 20 plus X. And then make the cross multiplication, we will get what that 20 plus X whole divided by √3, that is equal to H. Okay. So, this is I want to take it as an equation number 2. Okay. From equation 1 and 2. What happened? In the first equation, left hand side is H, and in the second equation we have the another one h value. So I want to equate the h value and substitute the h value in the first equation. The h value is 20 plus x divided by root 3, that is equal to root 3 into x. The first equation h value is substituted in the second equation. So now make the cross multiplication. 20 plus x, that is equal to root 3 into x into root 3. So cross multiplication, automatically it become multiplication of root 3. Then 20 plus x, that is equal to multiply root 3 into root 3, it become 3. Root 3 into root 3 is a 3, so 3x. Okay, now 20 equal to, take the x into this side, 3x minus x. Okay, then 20 is equal to 3x minus x, we can take it in 2x. Then 20 divided by 2, take the 2 into this side, become divided by 2, that is equal to x. Then it is a 10. So 2 table, it is a 10. Then x equal to 10 meter. So one value over. Actually x indicate the width of the canal. Width of the canal is 10 meter. Then we are going to find the height of the tower. So that is get from the first equation. That is we can easily get from the first equation. Now substitute x equal to 10 in equation number 1. So the first equation h equal to root 3 into x. There is a first equation. Then h equal to root 3 into, instead of x we are going to take it as 10. Therefore h equal to 10 root 3 meter. H equal to 10 root 3 meter. So second answer also over. So we are going to, actually in the question they asked two values. One value is width of the canal, another one value is height of the tower. Height of the tower is h, width of the canal is x. Okay, so complete the problem with the conclusion. Therefore, the height of the tower h is equal to 10 root 3 meter, the width of the canal x equal to 10 meter. So the question is completed. Dear students, I think you will get a more idea about this trigonometry concept. So I want to give more video in the various topic of the 10th mathematics in the CBSE syllabus. Thanks for watching. I will come back with a different concept in the next video. Thank you.